Hi, my name is Silvina from My Paper Cut Forest, and I'm going just to talk about product expansion and how you should think about it. Why product expansion matters. Offering more products in your shop is a great way to help you reach more customers. It will help make you more likely to be found on Etsy. By widening the range of products that you sell, you may show up in more searches and attract new customers. When deciding to expand product offering, you should consider making items that buyers search for on Etsy but don't necessarily find. This is why we created a report that features the most wanted items and popular search terms that buyers in the UK and Canada are looking for right now. Wall decor, furniture, pillow, planters and shelving are the products in home and living that currently present an inventory opportunity. Along with these insights, we will also share some tips on how to create engaging and converting listings in these specific categories. Tap into your current audience by considering items your buyers are likely to be buying elsewhere. For example, if you're a vintage seller of furniture, could you sell vintage clothing or jewelry as well? Your buyers are likely to be looking for these items too. Understanding how your existing customers find your listings and what else they might be looking for on Etsy is critical when looking at expanding your product offering. Your Etsy stats and analytics are the places to go and find so much information. Find out more about how to read your Etsy stats in the webinar Understanding Your Etsy Stats, linked in the Etsy shop campage. Another easy way to expand your inventory is to add more of your best-selling items and extend their variations. Think about offering these bestsellers in different sizes, colors, smells, etc. By doing so, you may increase your wallet share, the overall amount that customers spend on your shop. For example, if you sell wall decor, could you offer your wall art in different sizes, framed or unframed, printed on a t-shirt? Could you sell a digital download version of your design? Trends should be top of mind when thinking to expand inventory. Stay on top of trends by looking around you. Scrutinize what's featured on Etsy pick pages, read our trend report, observe your competition and what will make you stand out from them. Observe social behaviors, especially on Instagram. Pinterest and TikTok are great places to research and predict trends. I hope you found this video helpful and you got some new ideas on how to expand your inventory. Download the Home and Living report to dive into the home and living categories items that sell in the UK and Canada this year. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Happy creating! Ciao!